This conference will now be recorded.
Good morning, everyone. In the previous class, we have studied about cholera disease, which is caused by cholera virus, and various other aspects how it caused and which is causative organism, diagnosis, prevention, and what are the medicines we need to use for those disease to the cholera disease. Today, we are going to study about rabies, how it causes, what is it causative organism, pathogenicity, prophylaxis, diagnosis, prevention, and final conclusion what had happened. We will be studying in this session. Today's our topic is rabies. We'll start about this. So next slide. Next slide. So yes, rabies. Rabies was first discovered by Girolamo Fastastro in 1530. First scientists have identified this rabies disease. It is a viral disease that affects the nervous system of warm-blooded animals, including humans, and caused encephalitis or death if untreated. Rabies virus is a member of rhabdovirus of the gene of Lassa virus. It is also a preventable disease. This rabies caused by rhabdovirus belonging to rhabdovirus of zoonotic disease. This disease has been recognized for very ancient times as a disease that occurs primarily in animals and is treated in humans. This disease in human is called hydrophobia. Has a product exhibit fear of water. These peculiar features is not exhibited by infected animals. This disease is caused by animals primarily. Then after that, these animals transmit to the humans. So if the disease comes to human, these disease is called hypophobia. It means the person or affected patient will be fear of water. So it is called hydrophobia. So next slide. And this disease can be preventable disease. Means we can treat the patient by particular medicines, and we can uh, make a perfect mode of transmission. The general mode of transmission is through a bite by an infected animal. First, this rabies virus is produced in animals. The virus incubation period, everything goes on in an animal. Those infected animal affects the natural human, so that this transmission is by through a bite by an infected animal. In the United States, people get infected when they are bitten by infected wild animals such as raccoons, foxes, skunkes, and other bats. A carcass of an infected wild dead animals can still transmit the disease to human or to the other animals if the humans or animals are exposed to it. This disease firstly produced in certain animal. It may be a dog, a bat, or any fox. Any animal. The animal will be first infected. After that, due to a bite, if dogs bites a human, so human will get rabies because of the saliva of a dog enters into the human body, so that it can be transmitted. Like this, if by various animals, it transmits this disease. The casual organism for this rabies is rabies virus, which is neutrophic virus. Rabies virus is bullet shaped. The virus comprises of outer envelope, which enclosed nucleocapsid, Envelope is made up of two layers, outer lipid layer and inner protein membrane. Like this virus has very strong envelope, so that it can prevent from the organism to die also. So next slide. Mode of transmission. Affected domestic forms, animals, cats and infected dogs can also transmit the disease to human. As earlier we have studied that if a dog bites to the human, the saliva of dog enters into the human body, so that the disease can spread from dog to human. The virus is present in the nerves and saliva glands of an infected rabbit animals. We have studied that due to saliva transmission only, the organism can enter from dog to human body. Human to human transmission is very rare. Here this disease can be transmitted from animals to human, but in rare condition this disease can spread to one person to another. This transmission is very rare. So next slide. So next slide. Incubation time. In human it takes 3 to 8 weeks and 9 days, 7 years the incubation period. If the person is not identified, the organism can incubate till the person gets 7 years also. After the bite, till the 7 years the organism can incubate in the person's body. In animals, several weeks or few months. The incubation body means the organism, if firstly the saliva transmitted, due to saliva the organism enters into the human body. Here the saliva contains certain limited amount of organisms, means it may be 100 to 200 or some other to the n to the power n. The due to incubation the organism multiplies rapidly and the severity in the person get over. Due to over severity the person may also leads to death sometimes. So next slide. If the person or some person get this is infected due to this virus, the person will be resistant for some of the the person will be sensitive to alcohol and lipid solvents, soaps and detergents, inactivated by phenol formation, some sunlight also. Non-specific symptoms. Here the person will he may get fever, malaria, headache, throat, increasing nervousness, anxiety, general weakness or discomfort. Here the person will be having normal fever or any viral fevers also. The person will have some headache. The taste will be he will feel that every food is so increasing nervousness, because the person cannot he cannot stand in front of 4 people and talk very actively and anxiously. He will be feeling some nervousness, general weakness or discomfort. He feels some nervousness, some disappointment will be observed in this persons. So next slide. Next slide, sir. So next slide.
Here, wait for 1 second because I am facing a network issue. That's why I'm just moving my slide, but it's not visible.
Rapid symptoms include violent movements, uncontrolled excitement, depression, hydrophobia, psychomassic disorders, lethargy, coma, and death. Here, violent movements mean the person maybe leads to madness, uncontrolled excitement. For small thing, the person will be excited very much. Means we cannot identify why he is exciting that much. He may also depression. Hydrophobia means we have studied earlier that hydrophobia is he is very sensitive to water. Physicomassive disorder. Massive disorder here means the person may leads to madness. Lethargy, lack of energy and enthusiasm. The meaning of lethargy is lack of energy and enthusiasm. The person may lead to coma also if the person is the person leads to severe, if the person has severity in his disease, those the person may leads to coma. And finally the death may also happen sometimes if he is not treated properly. So next slide. Manifestation of the disease means here we will know the person, we can see human how he is having, and in animals also how this organism enters into human. And sometimes if in animals also it get madness. Here we can observe how dog has been looking how, and here we'll study how the organism enters into the body of a patient. Firstly, virus present in the saliva of infected animals means here the, if we take an example of dog, in the saliva of dog the virus will be present. The bite of dog or other animals, here we are taking one, we are taking dog now, so bite of dog enters into human body through wound means the where the dog has bitten, at that place the saliva will be entering into the body of an human and multiplies. Here multiplication is nothing but incubation, enters muscles and connective tissues, neurons, and when it enters all through and travel along axons, reaches central nervous system, and here also in the brain again it starts multiplying. Virus distribution, various parts of the body include salivary glands, respiratory paralysis, and finally if the person is not treated properly, he may leads to death also sometimes. Here the person has get into madness because if the person is not responding properly to the certain at certain conditions, the person will not respond properly because he may have some blood pressure, BP, or any other sugar patient, diabetes. So in this patient, if the person have already some problems, the person will not respond properly. At that condition, the person may also lead to death also. So next slide. Statistics. It means here incident, more than 55,000 people died of rabies every year. About 95% of human death occurs in Asia and Africa. 30% to 60% of victims of dog bites are children under the age of 15. Means in every year more than 55,000 people died of rabies every year. It occurring mostly in Asia and Africa. About 95% of human death occurs in Asia and Africa. Mostly 30 to 60% victim bites, dog bites are children under the age of 15. Means here the children of 15 or above, the small children will have more excitement to play with these domestic animals. So uncertainly they will go there and they'll do whatever they need. The dog may bites. Mostly these dog bite is observing in the age of 15. Most of the cases are coming from the age group of 15 only. So next slide. Treatment. Here we will study how to treat these when the dog has bitten to the person. Wash the site of bite with water and soap. Due to when we wash the site of bite with water and soap, the organism or the saliva of some amount of saliva can be washed away, so that the severity will be decreased. Sanitation with hyperactivity. Virus reaches the brain, so that if we need to sanitize very fastly, then here apply 1% quaternary ammonium compounds after washing the bite areas with water and soap. So after washing, we need to apply ammonium compounds, so that after compound after washing the bite areas with water and soap. So this ammonia helps the organism to leads to death. So the some amount of the before going to hospital, if we do this, so the person will be having less severity. Means the person um, half of the disease we are curing here itself only by washing. The saliva can be washed away, and some amount of organisms or organism present in that saliva can be washed away through this washing with the help of soap. So next slide. Measures to do after healthy animal bites sometime. If the animal is healthy, till now we have studied that the animal is infected rabies, then that rabies is transmitted to human with the help of saliva. We have studied till now. Now we are studying that measures to do after an healthy animal bite sometime. Here now we are, if animal is healthy and it has bitten for someone, so here if it is healthy, we need to quarantine the pet for 10 days, because if we quarantine, we can observe how the symptoms are take, how the symptoms and how the performance of the dog. We can see if it is active, the person, then the person will be some uh, the person will not get this rabies disease, and also the person will not be affected that much as earlier infected dog bite. Observe if the pet does not develop a disease. Means here after quarantining the pet dog, we should observe if the pet does not develop a disease. If the animal become ill, it is important to get rapid stunts. Means we need to observe the dog how it performing. If the animals get ill, so it is important to get rapid stunts. Means here we need to take some sample from the dog, and we should identify whether it is having rabies or not. So the infected person will get rabies or not. If if the dog is getting rabies, then automatically the disease will be transmitted. So next slide.
सामान घेऊ खाली ये कारल्याची भाजी बनवूया आणि जाऊया सामान आणायला.
Treatment
पप्पा
continued. Here vaccine available.
काय बोलते?
Here the rabies vaccine drunk. Here the vaccine is available. How the treatment is continued, we need to. Here attenuated virus vaccine grown in human diploid cells, anti-rabies, anti-serum. Here we are producing vaccine in the human diploid cells only, and the anti-rabies, anti-serum. So we are developing this vaccine inside of human diploid cells, and these developed cells or the serum, it is called anti-serum, anti-rabies, anti-serum. The vaccine name itself anti-rabies, anti-serum. So next slide. Here prevention, we need here how to prevent this. Vaccination of domestic animals, dogs and cats. If a domestic animal is bitten by a wild animal, contact the veterinary as soon as possible. Do not approach or try to feed a wild or stray animals. Here, we need to, if domestic animals like cats and dogs, we need to first itself, when we are maintaining those dogs and cats, we need to vaccinate for certain. While getting into house only, we need to take several vaccines to that, so that the domestic animal cannot infect any diseases when it bite also. If a domestic animal is bitten by a wild animal, contact the veterinary as soon as possible. Here, domestic animals will be already vaccinated, so there is no need of worrying much about that. But when a wild animal, when roadside or wild animals, those dogs, if a wild dog which is roaming in the streets, those dog bites the wild our domestic dogs, there is a chances of transmitting the disease from wild dog to our domestic dog. So we need to take care of that. If it happens, we need to approach the veterinary as soon as possible, so the disease can be controlled and the treatment will be taken very fastly. Sir, next slide. Okay, finally, conclusion. Here, rabies virus can be transmitted to human through a bite by wild animal or even unvaccinated domestic animal. Therefore, it is important to stay away from those animals. Here, when the rabies virus is transmitted to human through a bite, the wild or any, here if it is wild, then the wild wild animals does not have any vaccination, so the disease can be transmitted very soon. Therefore, it is important to stay away from those animals also. Avoid touching dead animal body. Avoid trying to feed with wild animals or stray dogs. Here, we should avoid when we are going from street. If there are any dogs, we need not to disturb those. If we disturb, they come along us and they may bite also. Rabies is a deadly disease is untreated. In case of exposure, it is important to seek medical help. Begin rabies post-vaccine therapy if the suspected animal it is sprayed or wild. The sooner the treatment, the better the prognostic. If we take when we take as soon as the dog has bitten, the sooner the treatment will be, it will be very helpful. The better means the person can get treated very well, and there will be no severity. As soon as the dog has bitten, if we approach the doctor, he will give some prescribed medicines, so that the disease cannot leads to severity. Here, we if the person is getting this disease, clinical symptoms, how we can observe how the person or the patient will have some features we can observe in that. Those features are excitement with hyperactivity, hydrophobia, muscular contraction followed by madness, respiratory paralysis. These are the symptoms can be observed in the affected person. When we goes on with diagnosis, isolating virus from saliva means here we are collecting saliva and isolating. Fluorescent antibody test using monoclonal antibodies. Suspected dogs through that bites should be kept in observation for 7 days. It dies examined for negri bodies obtained by post-mortem. Biopsy and observe for negri body. If we go on with prophylaxis, pre-exposure immunization should offer to person at high risk of exposure. So next slide. Further reading. If we need more information about this rabies, we can you people can go this given links so that you can get more information. And one more information, that if the person have bitten with rabies virus, the person should be given some muscularity, should be given on should be given tissue culture vaccine 1 ml. Intramuscularity should be given on 0 at the first day and 7th day and also on 20th day, so that the person can boost or recommend at intervals of 3 years as long as individual remains at risk. Here, if the person is taking this there is a vaccine, so this vaccine can be taken in certain limited time and prescribed time. These the timings of this vaccine is the person can take at 0 time. 0 day means he today itself. If the dog has bitten today, this day is known as 0 day, and after 7 days, on the 7th day, the person should be taken vaccine, and on 28th day also the person need to take vaccine, or else the person can take on 0 day or 20th day or on 56th day also. Okay, next slide, sir. Here also reference, if we need more information, you can take from here also. Certain links have been provided in this slide. So next slide. Thank you for your attention. Those who have any questions, you can ask me.